Hello friends, welcome back my channel. I hope you are doing great, learning this language great way. Now I wake up early in morning 4:30. Okay, it is my daily routine. Yes, and today I'm talk about you why I want to learn this language. Yes, my initial days I could not able to speak one sentence. I could not learn this language. My childhood I can learn this English subject, but I can't speak to English because I have lots of fear and lots of hesitations because uh, I'm I'm so I'm so all about this grammar sentence, but I'm not understand at a times. Okay, guys, and English it is not my cup of tea, but I will. I was daily try. I was try to speak. I was try to uh, try to I was making this sentence, but I'm not understand. Yeah, and now I can try to speak English. Okay, every day, every day I really try to the only few sentence. Okay, and you will try to speak English. Definitely, you will try because you will believe yourself. I believe myself. Okay, guys, and every day I'm recording myself. Okay, and I want to learn this language my initial because English is so most of important. Every field is a English is a most of important. Okay, guys, I want to learn English to speak confidently. I want to learn my student, my daughter and my son. I want to earn this money because English is a an international language. Okay, and I practice every day. I'm practice every day, and I believe myself. Okay, every day you try to best efforts. Okay, and you will try to speak, and you want to learn this language because you are complete your education, and when you are getting this job. Okay, when you're getting this job, you are need this language. Yes, guys, because if you are a learner, if you are a beginner, and if you are homemaker, your value of the English language and uh, your life is a your life is a change your world. Okay, guys, and you will try, definitely you will try, and you will speak. Okay, thank you watching this my video is like and subscribe you can do and you can speak, and we will meet next video. Bye bye.